How to fix Wi-Fi not working on iOS 17 issue. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iOS 17. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Even after resetting your network settings, if your Wi-Fi is still not working, then reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and if your Wi-Fi is still not working, then consider taking your iPhone to the nearest Apple Service Center for a repair. And if you still have your warranty left, then you can also go ahead and claim for the warranty, and this is how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on iOS 17. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.